Hey guys, I'm Warren Nash and here is the perfect recipe to bake with your kids. Here's how to make chocolate chip sugar cookies which uses Fairtrade dark chocolate, and this recipe makes 24 of these bite-sized treats. Now firstly take a large mixing bowl and add 200 grams of butter that's been cubed and brought up to room temperature. Also add 200 grams of caster sugar, then using either a food mixer or a wooden spoon, cream the sugar and butter together until light and fluffy. Now, when your creamed butter and sugar look something like this, then take a sieve and add 300 grams of self-raising flour. Then crack in 1 large egg followed by 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Next, replace your mixing bowl, then mix these ingredients together to form your cookie dough. And now we need to add our chocolate. So take 100 grams of Fairtrade dark chocolate, then break it up into small pieces. You can do this using either a sharp knife or placing it into a Ziploc bag and bashing it with a rolling pin. And when your chocolate's been broken up into nice small pieces, add it to the mixing bowl and briefly mix until combined into the cookie dough. Now, when your cookie dough is ready, then take a baking tray lined with some greaseproof or parchment paper. Split your cookie dough into 24 pieces, then roll each into a small ball. Place each ball onto a baking tray, making sure you leave enough space between them to leave room for expansion. You then need to place them into an oven that's been preheated to 180 degrees centigrade, which is 350 Fahrenheit, for 10 minutes. Bake them in batches, then when they've expanded outwards and they've just started to turn golden, remove them from the oven. Now, don't worry if the cookies are a little soft in the middle when they come out, because they will firm up as they cool. So place them onto a cooling rack, then sprinkle with some caster sugar, then leave to cool. And then your sugar cookies are ready to eat. And these are a brilliant recipe to bake with your kids because they are just so simple to make. And remember, this recipe makes 24 cookies, so you'll have plenty to go around.